Alright, I've been getting a whole lot of requests of what my air horn sounds like. They're the round ones. I know some guys do got the round horns like these, but I'm just going to show what mine sounds like. Oh yeah. Now I'll show you what it sounds like with the doors. Okay. Alright. Now this is what it sounds like with the doors shut. Now, I'll show you what it sounds like from far away. Hopefully my phone stands up, but I very doubt it. But if it does, it does. If it don't, it don't. Alright, now. Alright. That's one way I have to hold your camera. Yeah, that's what the horn sounds like. I really do love the sound of them. Alright, peace.